Hey guys, my name is Dhairya and I'm back with a new app product. So it's a very simple product that can help you build trust from your customers, and it's called Payment Icons Pro. Basically, you can show all the payment cards that you accept, and you can add some text as well, and there's multiple options and it's completely customizable. So let me quickly show you. Make sure you are on the product page right over here, on the product page of your Wix stores, and then make sure you select the app, the product page app, and then here you can see the plugins option. Once you have the plugin options, you'll be able to see Payment Icons Pro somewhere over here, and then you can click on install. Since I've already installed, I'll show you how it works. Now you can install it at different other locations as well. Right now it's over here, and you can select where you want the preset to be. So right now you can change the preset, you can change the design and everything as well. But the more importantly, you can have large icons, you can have it centered, you can have centered icons. Let's say currently we want it to be on the left. Now you can go to the icons and then you can select the icons that you want. We already have some options that we think you'll like, but you can also add certain more options to it. Now you can select all if you want. Let's say I want to add Stripe, I want to add Google Pay, I want to add Facebook Pay, I want to collect money through Bitcoin, maybe Amex and Amazon Pay, right? And there you go. You can just add this as simple as that. But wait, if you are a pro user, you can actually go to the databases, you can go to your collections, and here you'll be able to see an icons database. And here, I'm not kidding, you can add your own options as well. Just click on add item and you'll be able to add your own icons. If something's not supported and if you want something by default, you can let us know. So if you want anything like that, just let us know. Another thing would be you can change the location of this as well. So let's see if we want to, let's see. So there are two positions, position 1 and position 2. Let's say I want to take it to position 2. So it will go over here, you can change the position, maybe you just want to show it below the product, and we are adding more positions soon. So if you want it at a particular location, feel free to let us know and we'll be more than happy to help. And let's change the preset, let's make it centered. I want centered icons, large icons, there you go. Now it's in the center below the product page, and you can just change it however you want. So I hope you like this. You can add your own icon, as I said. You can add more things to it as well, and you can change the text as well if you want. So you can change this as well if you want, and you can add anything, replace it with anything as well. I hope you like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Give us any feedback and we'll be more than happy to implement it. See you.